on the much-anticipated 2024 GES Graduates Recruitment Portal opening date. Over 200,000 eager graduates in Ghana are waiting for this, and we've got all the latest updates. Stick around. Calendar: when will the portal open? As you probably already know, the Ghana Education Service, GES, is set to recruit 24,000 graduate teachers from various universities and colleges of education in 2024. According to EduWatch Chairman Kofi Asare, the portal is expected to open its doors either in late January or early February 2024. School: why the delay? The delay in opening the portal is due to some essential streamlining by the Ghana Education Service. Some senior high schools in Ghana are currently overstaffed, while others face a shortage of teachers. GES is on a mission to balance this equation to ensure every school has the right number of teachers. Briefcase: what's required for graduates? If you're a graduate gearing up for this opportunity, here's what you need to do. First and foremost, make sure all your certificates are intact. These include: first and foremost, make sure all your certificates are intact. These include: 1. License Examination Certificate. 2. Degree Certificate. 3. National Service Certificate. 4. WAS Certificate. 5. GES Certificate. Books: job purpose of a teacher. Before you jump into the application process, as a teacher, you'll be expected to facilitate learning using 21st century technology, continuously improve learners' ability to research using new technologies, teach highly motivated learners with different learning styles and abilities, attend relevant and continuous professional development sessions, use various assessment tools to accurately assess learners' competency. Clock: what's next? Now that you have all the details, start preparing your application. Stay tuned for the official opening date of the 2024 GES Graduates Recruitment Portal. It's time to make your mark in the world of education. Good luck, aspiring teachers. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more updates on education and tech at Chastelo iTech.